to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, so for today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple pasta recipe. All right, so to start off this video, I have my carrots, my green beans, my red pepper, green pepper, onions and tomatoes. So let's get right into it. Yes guys, so now I'm going to add my vegetables into the oil that you just saw. It's been heated now. Now I'm going to transfer my pasta into this vegetable mix. Yes guys, so I had to transfer this pasta into a bigger pan because that one was too small. So now let's put this aside and work on our next ingredients. Yes guys, so now I have my pot here under medium heat. I'm going to pour some cold fresh milk, about a cup of fresh milk. There you have it. While it's still heating up, I'm going to add some rosemary. There you go. So now I'm going to add this creamy mushroom soup into our milk and rosemary mix. Now I'm going to give it a good stir until it's nice and thick, and then I'll add cheese, cheddar cheese. Yes, I'm going to add some cheddar cheese into this mixture. Yes guys, as you can see, the cheese and the sauce are well incorporated now. Ooh, it smells nice. See, that sauce is thick and smooth, almost smooth. Well, yeah, so continue stirring. You do this at medium heat, all right, for 5 minutes, and then you turn off your heat. Yes, you can see. Yes guys, this is our pasta now, and this is our sauce. So I'm going to take our sauce and pour it into this pan, right? Yeah. So there we have it guys. I'm going to give this a good stir. Look at that. Wow guys, look at this pasta right here. It's looking marvelous, it's looking good, it even tastes better. So make sure you try this recipe at home. It's so easy to make, it's just amazing guys. You don't need any meat to complete this meal. If you want, you can add on the side, but it's nice like this. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.